Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. Samsung is set to host its second Unpacked event of the year, this time in Paris, France. At this upcoming event, Samsung will make several big announcements, while the Galaxy Ring will be the showstopper. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 features a 7.6-inch inner display marketed as Dynamic AMOLED 2X with a resolution of 2160 by 1856 QXGA+. Additionally, the front display of the phone is 6.3 inches in size with an HD Plus resolution of 986 by 2376 pixels. Both displays are adaptive and support a refresh rate of 1 to 120 Hz. They also have a color depth of 16 and S Pen support. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy is an octa-core processor that consists of a big Cortex-X4 core running at 3.39 GHz. Cortex-A720 clusters offering peaks of 2.9 GHz and 3.1 GHz, while the two small Cortex-A520 cores reach 2.2 GHz. It also features an Adreno GPU clocked at 1 GHz. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 will come with 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB storage options. Once again, Samsung will be offering a triple camera setup on its book-style folding phone. The setup will include a 50MP wide-angle camera with an f1.8 aperture and a 12MP ultra-wide camera with an f2.2 aperture and a 120-degree field of view. The 10MP telephoto lens with f2.4 aperture will offer 3x optical zoom and up to 30x digital zoom. These cameras support autofocus and OIS. Looking at the aperture sizes, we can conclude that Samsung is, once again, using the exact same camera setup. For selfies, Samsung will be using the same setup as the one in the Galaxy Z Fold 6. The front camera will be a 10MP selfie shooter with an f2.2 aperture. In contrast, the under-display camera will be a 4MP shooter with an f1.8 aperture. Samsung hasn't made any changes to the battery capacity. Just like its predecessor, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 also has a 4400 mAh battery pack. While we don't have anything on charging speeds, we expect them to be a little different from last year. Speaking on the price, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 will start at $1,899.99 in the United States. All the variants have gone up by $100 compared to their predecessors. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.